Hey friends, it's Jess and welcome back to my channel. I am admittedly a little late on this one. This is the quarterly sub box from Archer and Olive, and probably everyone has already seen what's in it or maybe has even started to receive it, but I figured I had filmed this content a while ago and apparently life got in the way and I didn't get around to editing it. So here I am. I'm going to show you what's in the box, and if you haven't seen it, then at least you can see what's in here. So the first thing that we're going to be looking at is this pack of ephemera stickers. So everything in this little box is actually a sticker. So it's not just ephemera, it is adhesive backed ephemera, which is really cool because then you don't have to have an adhesive. You don't have to bring an extra supply with you if you're using these. You can take these right along and stick them right into your notebooks as you need to. There are a ton of really cute themed stickers here. So this is 15 designs, but there's 2 of each design. So you get 30 stickers total. And they are all sort of that theatrical theme that is going along with this box. So the box is called Spectacular, and the whole thing is sort of drama, theater coded, definitely very theatrical. So we've got tickets, we've got kind of stage curtain sort of aspects, some really cute little flair items, some stars. There's just a whole lot going on here that is going to be super duper cute. And I think you can use a lot of these for a variety of things. So if you don't have someone theater related, or that you yourself are not theater related, there's still a lot of good use for those. I personally have a son who is in middle school drama right now, so I know where a lot of these supplies are going to be used. Also it comes with 4 washi tapes. So these designs are, of course, coordinating with all of the rest of the box. So we've got some really cute designs there. According to the insert, it says they're inspired by the glamour of the stage. The next item is actually one of the ones I was most excited about in this box, and that is the acrylographs. So if you're not familiar with acrylographs, these are paint pens, but these ones are extra special because they are extra sparkly. I have not yet seen ones that are sparkly, and those ones are absolutely stunning. I really love them. It comes in a set of 5. So you have those coordinating colors, perfect for lettering, illustrating, and just really enhancing all of your pages. The next item is actually one that I've never seen before. Maybe you guys are familiar with these, but this was new to me. This is a book page rest. So you can keep your book or your notebook open comfortably, whether it's a book or your notebooks. With this, it has something you can stick your thumb through right there in the center, so that you can open and hold the book like that, and only have to use one hand versus using 2 to kind of steady the other page. It also has really beautiful carved detailing in the wood, and it's really lightweight. So that's going to be super great for holding things. It's not going to be too heavy. I am absolutely loving the color palette on this A6 size notepad. So you get 80 sheets in 4 different hues of 120 GSM dotted paper. So you can use these for journaling, planning, sketching. You can rip them, tear them, put them in your journal. It's got a perforated edge there for you, and the holder, or like the whole system of the notepad, is just absolutely gorgeous. Next up, we have a kind of new to me item as well. This is the accordion folio. So this is a 10 pocket folio for storing your ephemera, stickers, or other accessories. You could use it for that, but you could also use it as a really cool memory book where you share things or keep things like movie tickets or plane tickets, or just all the little bits and bobs that you collect from concerts or fun things that you want to share, and photos as well. That could be a really cool way to keep memories. This whole box is full of really unique items, but this one probably takes the cake. This is a very interesting and unique notebook design. I love the clasp on the outside, the overall appearance. This is an A5 notebook. It's called Curtain Call. It has a dot grid on the center, 192 pages, and the pages are 160 GSM. We've got gold foil accents, that metal closure, and debossed stage curtain design on it. It is so cool. I can't wait to use that one. And last but certainly not least, we have another A5 notebook. This one is called Starlit. It is a beautiful pink color with gold accents as well. This one has 128 pages, so it's a little bit smaller, but it does still have that 160 GSM white dot grid paper. And this one is very dreamy and has a really nice aesthetic overall. And there you have it. That is the March 2026 quarterly sub box from Archer and Olive. Let me know in the comments. Are you going to get this one? Are you going to skip this one? It's still available right now. There's an affiliate link in my bio if you're interested in checking it out. And you can also use my code LOVEJESS for 10% off over at Archer and Olive if you want to snag anything.